Hey guys, this is Aman and welcome back to another new video of PowerPoint School. In our last video, I have showed you how to create and animate this type of cartoon character expressions in PowerPoint. But today I'm going to share something more interesting. And that is about our own cartoon character builder template that we have created for PowerPoint. With the help of this builder, you can easily create thousands of cartoon characters with different facial expressions and then you can animate them in your own way. So this is our builder template. Here we have provided 12 different types of faces and 3 different color combinations, as well as you will get more than 100 pre-built facial expressions. You can either use these pre-built expressions or customize your own by mixing different eyes and mouth expressions. You can see we have provided so many resources that will help you to create the variation that you want. Let me show you how you can use this builder. First, select the shape that you are going to use for your character face. Bring it to here, make a copy of it, and paste it on the slide where you have your desired eye expression. You can use a pre-built expression or use a single eye expression. It is definitely your choice. Simply drag this eye and place it in the center position of the face. Before you add a mouth expression, make another copy and paste it on the slide from where you want to add your mouth expression. For now, I will use this one, so just place it in the center position, make another copy of it, and paste it on our hairstyle slide. From here, I'll add this particular hairstyle. Let's take a copy again and paste it on the slide where we have hands and legs. From here, you can choose any of these for your cartoon character. I'll pick this one, so add the hands first and then the legs. So that's how easy it is to create your own cartoon characters in PowerPoint. For me, it took around 3 months to create this builder, so I hope you have liked it. You can easily get access to our emoji builder and bundle both. I'll provide the link in the description of this video. It is only available for our Patreon sponsor and those who are supporting our work in Buy Me a Coffee page. This template is available in both the platforms, so you can show your support in whichever platform you prefer and get the access of this amazing template. Your support will help us to create more valuable content like this. I believe you understand, to create this type of templates, it takes such a long time, so your support is very important. I will also provide a sample animation slide for free. That link is also in the description of this video. That's all for today. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you can, please share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video with another amazing PowerPoint tutorial, and thanks for watching.